Well, I'm just getting a few more stars ready for a show on Friday. Working on some Moravian stars right now.
How many of those pieces do you need?
12 points to a Moravian star.
Okay.
5 points to a Nova star. I have 10 of those. I'd like to get one big one. I think this one will make about an 11-inch star.
Okay.
And it will look like this, just a little bit bigger. And I'd like to make a few more of this size too if I have time.
And it looks like you're not putting primary colors in it like that one has.
Yeah, just kind of choosing. I went there.
I can't tell if it's going or not. There, yeah, it is now.
Rainbow colors and adding. So, kind of just what I found.
Okay.
So thanks for being with me as I cut out star parts, and I'll see you next time.
And